We got this Hape crane for my 2.5-year-old for Christmas this year, and it's quickly one of his favorite toys. It's really well constructed out of wood. I like that it doesn't have a lot of plastic parts to it. It has some knobs so that you can move the components up and down, and little pieces that you can place on a scale here, and it also goes forwards, backwards, spins around. Very good for open-ended play. He puts other toys in here, like his cars. He puts little people to sit in the crane. Doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's actually a really cute aesthetic too.